for today is samok. As an adjective, samok means chaotic. For example, daghan kaayog tao sa park ganina. Samok kaayo. In English, it means there's so many people at the park earlier. It's very chaotic. Again, as an adjective, samok means chaotic. From that word samok, we also have the word samuka. Samuka as a verb means to bother. So how do we use it in a sentence? We have ayaw samuka imong kuya. Don't bother your brother. And then we also have the word sinamok, which means to be a nuisance or annoyance. So for example, ayaw pag sinamok ha, don't be a nuisance or annoyance. Lastly, we have the word samok-samok, which means to interfere or to meddle. So for example, dili ta magsamok-samok sa ilang away. Let us not interfere with their fight. As a recap, we have the words samok, which is an adjective, meaning chaotic. Then we also have the word samuka as a verb, which means to bother. Sinamok as a noun, which means to be a nuisance. And lastly, samok-samok as a verb, which means to interfere or to meddle. And that's it for today. Hope you learned something new. If you enjoy bite-sized Bisaya lessons like this and Bisaya quiz, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the ring icon if you want to get notified each time we upload a new video. Again, this is Teacher Joanne. Have a good day and hangtut sa sunod. Salamat!